Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Isang mapagpalayang araw po. Andito po ako para basahin ang pahayag ng Youth Resist sa Tacbayan Youth. Ang tanong po sa ating mga kabataan, payag ba tayo na i-dismiss ang impeachment trial laban para kay Sara Duterte? Ang sagot po namin ay... Hindi po ate ang sigaw ng kabataan. Kaya naman say cheese, wag i-dismiss. Senator Cheese, hindi ka ba nahihiya? Nakalimutan mo na ba na ikaw din ay dating isang scholar ng bayan? For months, the Senate under Sen. Cheese Escudero has danced around its constitutional duty, delaying justice, delaying accountability, and enabling Vice President Sara Duterte to escape trial. Nagsalita na po ang taong bayan at mga kabataan. Ituloy na ninyo ang paglilitis. Because this is not just neutrality. This is neglect. Kaduwagan po ito just as a procedure. The youth demand a full and transparent impeachment trial. The Vice President has been accused of theft and threats of violence. These are not just mere political issues. They are matters of public trust. Kung totoo siyang walang tinatago, then she should welcome the chance to clear her name in a fair and open trial. Sabi nga noong panahon ng kanyang tatay, kung walang kasalanan, bakit matatakot? Hindi lamang ito patungkol sa budget issue. Ito ay kataksilan sa aming mga kinabukasan. Matagal nang may krisis ng edukasyon at pinalalala mo pa ito. While public schools are crumbling, teachers are underpaid, and students are dropping out because of poverty, mahigit 25% na ang bilang ng out-of-school youth. Etong 612.5 million in confidential funds were all funneled into the Office of Vice President in just 11 days. Yang pera na po iyan ay dapat napunta para sa kapakanan ng milyong-milyong mga estudyante. Dapat po ay free meals at pamasahe sa mga mag-aaral na araw-araw pumapasok sa paaralan, mental health programs in schools when suicide rates among youth are rising, Wi-Fi and gadgets for learners still left behind in the digital divide, safe dorms and libraries instead of leaking ceilings and broken chairs. Again, this is not just a budget issue. It's a betrayal of our future. Kami po sa Youth Resist, kasama ng Akbayan Youth and Student Council Alliance of the Philippines at mga student councils and youth organizations na nandito. We all demand, huwag i-dismiss, ituloy ang paglilitis, panagutin ang dapat panagutin. And we want to say, the Senate still has a chance to redeem itself. Choose truth over power, choose duty over delay, choose the people. To the senators, hindi po kami tatahimik. Lalabas kami sa aming mga pamantasan at tahanan, magmamarcha, we will continue to resist and we will remind our institutions, lalo na ang Senado. Kapag tumalikod po kayo sa hustisya, kakalampagin at papanagutin kayo ng mga kabataan. We will never forget. We will never forgive. Sa mga kapwa ko kabataan na nakikinig ngayon, samahan niyo po kami to say cheese, impeachment trial now na. Marami pong salamat.